the most efficient ways to get some of that energy, nuclear or things like that, people are afraid of having those. Nobody wants to have a nuclear plant in their backyard. So coming up with the power to fully electrify, it's one thing for passenger vehicles, but heavy duty trucks are a whole other different thing. And then there comes into the thing for electric trucks is the rate.
Even how wind can affect it.
Yeah, there's so many things that are negligible. That might be even kind of negligible now on a passenger vehicle. They do not become negligible on a truck.